Welcome to Phonics for Preschool Children. Today we are going to learn a new sound. I'm going to hold up some objects and I want you to tell me what you see, and then together we will try to work out what today's new sound is. We have a little boy who is upset. Upset. We have an arrow pointing up. And we have an umbrella. Umbrella. Do you know what today's new sound is? It's the sound for up, for upset, and for umbrella. Are you going to try and say Are you ready? This time I want you to look up and say Look down to the floor and say And say to Tabitha, the listening bear. Let's play our flashcard game where I either show you an and you say or I show you an umbrella and you say umbrella. 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 Fantastic. Let's look at how we write the graphene. We start at the top, we go down, across, up, down and flick. Should we try and do it in the air in front of us with our magic fingers? Start at the top, go down, across, up, down and flick. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top, go down, across, up, down and flick. Fantastic. It's time to do some sorting. Lexi is feeling very hungry and wants to eat things that start with the sound. And Moona is also hungry, but she wants to eat things that start with an I. So I'm going to try and catch on some food. I want you to tell me if the thing starts with an I or an and then I'll know whether to give it to Lexi or to Moona. Okay? I have an injection. Injection. Which sound does injection start with? Yes, it starts with an I, doesn't it? So that's for Moona. Let's try another one. I have a carrot that's under the ground. So our word is under. Which sound does under start with? Yes, it starts with an doesn't it? So that's some food for Lexi. Another one. I have an igloo. An igloo is a house that's made from blocks of ice. Igloo. Yes, that's right. It starts with an I, doesn't it? And last of all, I have a cow with some udders. Udders. Udders are where you get milk from the cow. So which sound does udders start with? Yes, that's right, it starts with an doesn't it? Let's see how many sounds you can remember. Duh. Kicking. K. Oh. Curly. K. I. Ah. Ah. Eh. Da. Fantastic. And now some things to try at home. You could draw an umbrella on a piece of paper and in a yellow felt tip pen do some Us and then ask your child to trace over them. I find yellow a really good colour to use if you want somebody to trace over what you've done. And maybe get your child to say each time they do it. Another fun activity is to get some bubble wrap and to write some different sounds on the bubble wrap and then say, can you pop all the Us for me? Or you may want to put some magnetic letters or some stones with sounds on in some soil and get them digging under the ground to find the different stones or pebbles or magnetic letters and say the sound they find. Well, sadly, we've reached the end of today's learning. If you found this useful in any way, then please would you subscribe to my channel. It would be really helpful and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.